How to reset all settings on Windows 11. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Search for Update and Security. You'll find Update and Security below Gaming on left side. Simply click on Update and Security, then click on Recovery. After that, then reset this PC, click on Get Started. Then select Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Select the one you prefer. Cloud download or local reinstall. You can simply cloud download, which will download and reinstall Windows. Then press on Next. In additional settings, after that you'll find Reset option. Click on Reset button and you're good to go. That's how to reset all settings on Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.